part is that of units and measurement. We should be knowing about that. What is the systems of the unit? System of unit. Actually, the fundamental quantities or derived quantities are to be measured. I talked that the measurement is nothing but the comparison of a physical quantity by a standard physical quantities. If you want to measure the length, so we have to choose for the standard physical quantities, that is the meter scale. Meter scale is the standard unit. So accordingly, you know that unit is the universal accepted standard which is used to measure the same quality or same quality of that physical quantity. So here that I would like to discuss the system of unit. What are the systems of unit? A complete set of units which is used to measure all kind of fundamental and derived quantities is called the systems of unit. It is a complete set of units. A set of unit is consisting a system. The first system is called the CGS system. That is the CGS system. So what is CGS system? In CGS system, the length will be measured by the centimeter, mass will be measured by the gram, and time will be measured by the second. That is the centimeter, gram, second system. Another is the FPS system, that is the British system. Britishers, they were using this system of measurement. F, the length is foot, P is the pound, and S is the second. Foot, pound, second. And the third one is the MK system. That is the length is measured in meter, and mass is kilogram, and time is in second. The three physical quantities are measured by the three different systems of unit. But the international system of unit, that is the SI system of unit, it is the advanced form of the MK system of units. It includes the MK system. In MK's length, mass, and second, that includes in international systems of unit. The international system of unit includes 7 fundamental units. 7 fundamental units. What are the 7 fundamental units? Mass, length, time, temperature, luminous, electric current, and amount of substances. These 7 fundamental quantities are to be measured by the 7 fundamental units, that is the kilogram, meter, second, Kelvin, candela, ampere, and mole. These are the 7 fundamental units are used in international system of unit, SI system. And that SI system includes 2 supplementary units also. That supplementary unit is the plane angle, that is measured by the radian, and another is the solid angle, that is measured by the steradian. So that is the 7 fundamental and 2 supplementary, that is 9 units are used in international system of unit. And by help of this international system of unit, we can measure the all type of fundamental quantities and all type of derived quantities used in physics. So these 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units is very important, and you should be knowing about clearly that international system of unit. So for example, if you talk about the speed or the acceleration, whatever you take it, the speed. So speed is using actually the length upon time, So length is measured in meter, and time in second or meter per second is the SI unit of the quantity speed. The physical quantity speed is measured by the SI unit, that is equal to meter per second. In this manner, and SI unit is helpful to measure the different physical quantities used in physics. Another thing is that I would like to tell you that how do you know that 1 kilogram, 1 meter second, what are the invention of these fundamental standard units? How these units are designed, how these units are standard units are formed. Suppose if you talk about the meter, what is that meter? 1 meter. If you talk about the 1 meter, who decided that 1 meter, the length of the 1 meter is this value? Actually, how it is designed, the Paris scientists, they have designed the length, that is from the equator to pole, north pole of the earth, through the Paris, and that length is divided by 1/10th million part. Means 1 meter is the 1/10 millionth part of the length from equator to north pole through the Paris. And in this manner, the standard units are designed: kilogram, meter, second, Kelvin, candela, ampere, mole, all these units are being designed accordingly. That units are being universally accepted standards. Thank you.